This is your daily vocal warm-up for beginners, the lip bubble. Purse your lips and blow through the top. Here we go. Keep going. And back down. Last one. Next is the tongue trill. It's like rolling your R's. If you find it difficult, do stick with it. It will come. So if you can't do the full exercise straight away, like this, then you can do it in parts like this. Or even just stick with it, keep going, don't give up, it will come. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and. Last one. And back down. Last one. Next, we're going to sing on a vowel. This is going to start getting the voice moving in a song-like way. So remember not to over-sing. We don't want any vibrato on the end. Nice, straight singing. And we're going to sing to E. E. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and E. 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 Last one. Back down. E. Keep going, nearly there. Last one. The next exercise is going to open up the voice a bit more. We're going to sing to ah, ah, and we're going to sing ah. Again, nice straight singing, no vibrato. So we're not looking for anything like this. Ah, no. Ah. This is what's going to train the voice and warm up the voice. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and ah. Ah. Go into your choir voice. Last one. And coming down. Last one. The next exercise is going to help you to improve your vocal control and stability. We're going to sing on the vowels R, E, O, U. And it's going to sound like this. R, E, O, U. Now for some of you, there might be a temptation to sing like this. R, E, O, U. Or like this. R, E, O, U. So try and keep your head straight, keep it still. And the only thing that will be moving is your mouth and your tongue. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and R, E, O, R, E, O, R, E, O. Keep going. Last one. Well done. Back down. Keep it bright, keep the energy up as we go down in pitch. Every note counts. Almost there. Last one. Our last exercise is going to get us ready for melodic singing. You can sing to E, R, or oo. If you're just starting out, I recommend starting on E, moving on to oo, and then graduating to R. And it sounds like this. Ah, or E, or ooh. Now, as we move up in pitch, the temptation is going to be to move your head up like this. But what we really need to do is to keep the head nice and straight. We don't want any vibrato, we don't want any embellishments, we're not singing no, none of that. Nice and straight. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and E. Last one. Back down. Last one. So there is your daily vocal warm-up for beginners. Then if you do this every day, you're going to find that that it's much easier for you to sing and you're going to progress quite quickly. Now, if you haven't already, I'd love for you to come along and join us in Singing Genius. Singing Genius is my monthly subscription where I work directly with singers just like you. You get personalized voice coaching and a weekly lesson every single week, and you can join me live online, sing for me, get some feedback. I want to help you personally with your voice. Click the link, enter your details, and let's get started. See you very soon. Stay hydrated. Ciao!